Hello everyone, welcome to Stealth video series. It seems like the COVID-19 pandemic has sent the world in a spiral and is not leaving anyone behind. Not only has it impacted businesses and economies worldwide, but it has also had a drastic effect on the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS). The pandemic, coupled with the recent immigration policy changes enforced by the Trump administration, has resulted in the USCIS finding itself in a precarious financial situation. The result? A possible USCIS fee increase in 2020. If you're planning to get a green card or apply for naturalization, take note of the information below and plan ahead, so you don't get caught off guard. Are the USCIS fees going to go up in 2020? The USCIS has mentioned there may be a USCIS fee increase in 2020, but no date has been set yet. No official increases have been published either. What we do know, however, is that there is a very good chance that there will be a USCIS fee increase in 2020 due to the financial crisis the USCIS finds itself in. Why might the USCIS fees increase? Well, to put it short, the USCIS is cash-strapped. This isn't due to one specific event or cause, but rather a number of factors that have resulted in the USCIS having to ask the government for a $1.2 billion bailout. Ordinarily, the USCIS operates independently without government funds. It operates solely on the fees it collects when applicants file their petitions. It has, however, now reached a point where it needs some help. One of the most significant losses of revenue for the USCIS comes from the operational changes it has had to make to its different immigration processes. Due to several policy changes and resultant additional processes, USCIS workers have been required to work extra hours. The US government has also put additional immigration restrictions in place in the past couple of years. This meant fewer petitions into the US immigration system, resulting in less income for the USCIS. The USCIS is 92% dependent on the fees they generate from petitions, and its general operations and employee salaries depend on it. Less filing fees due to fewer visas and green card applications means less financial resources for the USCIS. Unfortunately, the COVID-19 lockdown and travel restrictions have only put fuel on the fire. Many visas aren't being issued at this time purely due to limited travel. Because of the economic downturn caused by the pandemic, many Americans also simply don't have the cash to pay for the various types of immigration benefits available to them, such as applying for citizenship or getting a green card. Finally, on top of this, Trump has imposed a 60-day suspension of immigrant visas. As a result of all these factors, the USCIS has reported that its revenue could fall by more than 60% by the end of September 2020. If the USCIS does not get financial support from the US government soon, it is anticipated to run at a 61% loss. Consequently, USCIS has to take drastic measures. One of its options is to increase the filing fees to make up for some of the revenue loss it has been suffering. At the moment, the USCIS is considering a 10% surcharge or filing fee increase for certain applications. No one knows yet whether this will definitely take effect or if it does, when the increases will be in force. But it can be expected to happen in the coming months. If you are financially stable at this time, many immigration lawyers and agencies recommend that you file your applications as soon as you can before any increase in fees take effect. What are the current USCIS fees? You can find a comprehensive list of all the current filing fees at the following website: www.uscis.gov/forms/r-fees. Here is a short list of the most common applications and its related filing fees. N600 N600K application for Certificate of Citizenship, $1,170. N400 application for naturalization, $640. I-765 application for employment authorization, $410. I-751 petition to remove conditions on residence, $595. I-698 application to adjust status from temporary to permanent resident, $1,670. I-140 immigrant petition for alien worker, $700. I-130 petition for alien relative, $535. I-694 notice of appeal of decision, $890. I-90 application to replace permanent resident card, $455. I-129 petition for a non-immigrant worker, $460. I-29F petition for alien fiancé, $535. N-300 application to file declaration of intention, $270. I-360 petition for specific immigrant, $435. I-192 application for advance permission to enter as non-immigrant, $585 or $930. I-526 immigrant petition by alien entrepreneur, $3,675. I-485 application to register permanent residence or adjust status, $1,140. I-485 application to register permanent resident or adjust status. Certain applicants under the age of 14 years, $750. N-565 application for replacement naturalization, citizenship document, $555. I-290B notice of appeal or motion, $675. USCIS immigrant fee, $220. Biometric services fee, $85. How much will the new USCIS fee be? Nothing has been set in stone, but the USCIS has, for example, proposed that the H-1B filing fees increase with 10%. This same increase could be extended to other visa filing fees as well. If this is the case, then a 10% increase could result in the following filing fees. Remember, these fees are of illustration purposes only and are not increased fees published by the USCIS. N-400 application for naturalization, $704. I-765 application for employment authorization, $451. I-751 petition of remove conditions on residence, $654.50. I-698 application to adjust status from temporary to permanent resident, $1,837. I-140 immigrant petition for alien worker, $770. I-130 petition for alien relative, $588.50. I-90 application to replace permanent resident card, $550. I-129 petition for a non-immigrant worker, $506. I-129F petition for alien fiancé, $588.50. I-485 application to register permanent residence or adjust status, $1,254. N-565 application for replacement naturalization or citizenship document, $610.50. Biometric services fees, $93.50. When will USCIS fee increase go into effect? At this stage, there isn't any certainty around when fee increases will come into effect. Due to the situation the USCIS finds itself in, increases can be expected though. If you are planning to apply for any immigration benefits or for a visa, do so sooner than later, before any fee increases take effect. We hope this video has been helpful to you. At Stilt, we provide financial services for immigrants and the underserved. Subscribe to our channel and visit stilt.com for more details.